Today is our first Whatnot live stream day, and I'm kind of excited about it, but also nervous, just because, you know, you're starting something new. You have an idea of how it's going to work. You have ideas of things to do, but then you don't know if those will actually work or how it'll work or what people will like until you start doing it. Nonetheless, we're doing it today, and I sent out a 75-cent coupon because yesterday was so slow. And somebody's calling me. I don't know who that is. It's my mom. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, y'all. That was my mom. She was just calling to make sure that Lucas got his birthday message and stuff yesterday, because yesterday was his birthday, which is crazy. He is 5 years old now. I know a lot of you have been watching this for several years. I mean, we started vlogging when he was 1. I mean, I don't even know if he was walking whenever we started our YouTube channel. He may have been just crawling. I know when it was at the first warehouse that we had, and I remember we were having to carry him around. We would carry him in a little sling, but I think he was just crawling then. I don't think he was walking. And then at the house where we used to live, in the garage, y'all had seen him there, but he is 5 years old now. And it's crazy. He likes camping. He loves camping. I found this YouTube channel called Outdoor Boys, and it's about a dad and his sons, and they go do outdoor stuff in like Alaska and different places that they have lived. And then obviously we go camping as well, and he wanted a pocket knife, so we got him a starter's pocket knife. And don't worry, you two moms, it's one of those blades where it's like it will not cut you, it cannot cut your skin. I mean, obviously you could stab yourself probably with it, if like you did that, you know, but it would be very hard because the way that the blade is like a plastic blade. But he's not going to shank nobody. He's using it under supervision and all of that stuff. But we wanted to start him out because he wanted one so bad. And even the last camping trip that we went on, I let him use a little hatchet, a very dull hatchet, to be able to hit the ground and hit the dirt. So he's learning, and I don't know, it makes me kind of edgy, but at the same time, like, I don't want to be a helicopter dad, because I turn into one after Lucy's drowning, and I know that prevents them from growing a lot. Kids really learn, and we as people, we learn really during times of danger, and if we keep our kids from danger all the time, because they don't recognize the danger. We do, because we've learned, but as long as we are watching and we are allowing them to do the thing, and we are doing our best to keep them safe from a distance to where they can learn, that's like learning happens there. But anyways, that's that. I've got to get shipping done. It is already 9 o'clock. And Jason, our amazing mail carrier guy, his route has changed somewhat, or they've done something logistics-wise a little bit differently. So he's been coming a lot earlier. So I've got to get shipping done, and then get stuff set up for the live stream, get set up for the store. There's a lot to do, and I don't really have a lot of time. So this is what the bins look like at the end of 75-cent day. All of them look like this, where pretty much all that's left is screen protectors, mask, little random tidbits here and there. Not a lot of stuff left in the bins. You see here, over here, we got it scraped off in one little pile. And then William down there, he's got his little dustpan. We just scoop it off into these boxes. We normally sell these boxes for $20 afterwards, but since we've sold so much today because 75 cents, we will probably end up going down on price for this week. I don't normally like to do that because I don't want to cause confusion with people. Like, why are they this price this week when the next week they're that price? But if we'll have to put some type of verbiage on the boxes so that people know that these are leftover boxes, because if they spend 20 bucks on it and they're filled like they normally are, then that's a good value. But $20 for a lot of this stuff, not as good. I just got to figure out how to communicate it on the box so that people know that it's not the same quality as normal. It is Friday now, and we just got done with our second Whatnot stream and our first official live selling stream. And it went well. There's a lot of people. The only thing, it was slightly discouraging because the prices of the auctions, they should have been higher. Like they should have, we started off the auctions at 25 bucks, and the prices on the boxes, the retail value on the boxes was probably, we took out the low box, which was $125. The average of all the boxes was $173, and that was with the low box of $125. But the rest of the boxes, they were all like $160, $170, $180. And from what I had been seeing on Whatnot and the other auctions that have been done, was that those boxes should have been selling for probably $50, $60, $70 in that range. But ours, they were not. It was like 25 bucks. Then at the end, they started getting up a little over $30, which was good. But, then it's like, well, is it because we're new? People don't know us. They don't know what to expect in the boxes. We don't have that trust yet? I don't know, that could be, but we'll continue. Maybe it's the time of day as well, although, who knows? It could be a combination of things. I just know, sorry, I had to burp. I just know for us, like, I can't do live streams at 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock at night, right? I'm with the family, or I'm working, running the floor at those times, so I can't do that. It's not an option for me. So I have to make it work within the other times of the day. So what are the expectations? I don't know, I guess my expectations were a little bit higher after the boxes yesterday, because the boxes yesterday we sold 2 for an average of $42. And the boxes that we sold today were way better than those boxes, and they sold for way less. So maybe it's just a one-time deal. I have no idea, but we're learning. I'm still super excited about it. We sold everything that we had, which is awesome. And in this business, it's about velocity. It's about how quickly, how fast you can sell stuff. Whereas if you put it on eBay, it may take 2 or 3 months to sell. Whereas here, everything that we get in, we could really sell as fast as we get it ready to list. So it's like a little thing that we have to work through. But we're about to open up. It's Friday. It's $10 day here in the store. And I've got lots to do today. But thank you so much. Keep following along with the journey with Whatnot. And if you haven't followed us there, there's a link down in the description. Until next time, peace.